Recording in progress.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between. Today is the 12th of September 2024, and yeah, let's get it. London live scalping session. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, let's get it started. Looks like quite an interesting day ahead, or session. We have some decent volume this morning, and yeah. Um, Quite interesting as to how things have played out so far. Quite simple. Just remove all of this. So, question today will be, after confirming that resistance and yesterday's candle pushing down, we haven't quite hit into the target. So, reaction or rejection, or rejection or reaction. Quite interesting. We've broken the high. For me, this has now made sort of kind of a high low, and yesterday's candle was quite a simple one, but we didn't quite pull into full targets. So current daily candle is bullish, 4 hour currently on bullish structure, but we know what all this is, pushing down, creating a structure to the downside. Yep. But now this area where we had that support and the retest of that, we've now pushed down, had some structure there, then this now pushing up, and then this confirming, okay, that this is not resistance to that is currently holding. So this 4 hour candle, clearly then we can look at that as support after this candle, confirming that, closing above here. So we are currently in some bullish structure. However, you do have this area over here currently that you have to contest with, and all you need basically is some vuma to break through there. So from my point of view, I think I will be looking for buys today. I am in a more bullish bias for scalps, but I will act accordingly to whatever pops up on the chart. Currently this 1 hour candle, no upper wick, with 16 minutes in. Yeah, 16 minutes in. So where will it come from? On your hourly, well, on your 30, you can clearly see that you have structure forming to the upside, yeah? And higher supports being formed. This resistance, but then rejecting these previous supports to then confirm still some bullish bias. However, breaking this, closing above here would be ideal. You have some clean range over here to play up into anywhere. Yeah, so I will just wait and see where I can get those buys from if it does happen. If sells, however, it would have to come from a 4 hour closing below here, but this is sort of kind of expected because of where we are. It's one of two things: either we break away clearly or we hang around here for a bit. So let's see. Ozzy, you in a selling bias this morning, huh? For the 4 hour. You're gonna wait for the 4 hour to close. And let's see. Okay. Oh, good. Ozzy says yes in the chat.
I have the same thing as you.
Same thing as me.
Same bias.
Oh. I was about to say, I hope you have the same thing, you bro. You a guy, dude. You should have the same thing, man. I'm not currently interested in any cells, especially around this area here. See, that other playlist was ass, bro. This one is the one.
Yeah. This song goes hard every day.
Is this your
Just
jam?
what? Yeah. I don't even know what they're saying.
Something about the wiggle, bro.
Yeah.
There's a wiggle somewhere there. Yeah, mark this area out. Yeah, I can see
I'm thinking if this 15-minute can give us a strong bullish closer,
yeah.
that would be a fake out double bottom thing.
What the fuck now?
Hey,
A breakout double bottom thing.
no. A fake out double bottom.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sell that shit, bro. It's like my new strategy, a breakout double bottom thing. Fuck it.
Yeah.
That's new. Classic.
Classic.
You wanna try again?
A fake out double bottom.
Fake out double bottom. Yeah. So yeah, I sort of want to see us trade above these levels again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be very patient based off of this candle this morning and this year. So if this pulls back, let me throw a bit sexier this morning. If this pulls back into these areas over here, or creates like this 15 pushes up and creates some structure or above here, I'll be happy to go with those as well. We have some decent moves to the upside, but now we have to pay attention again to what do we see? What do you see the chart moving like? Right? You can see that we are slowly chunking away, but you have these massive moves to the downside. And then boom, right? So the way up is taking a bit longer, but you are in the bullish structure. I think back to yesterday's trades of buys and sells, that I like what Katie did yesterday, like her bias. Obviously the sells also, you could do either yesterday, which was really good.
Yeah.
You played yours, got out as you should. But in that moment, you sort of kind of reached your target. You can see a multiple weeks not really liking this price. You did push down, but then immediately look what you did there, closing above resistance and then holding above there. Alright. So obviously that week you that's one of those things that I've said before. I think in this week even with the trade that I took, or it was last week. I can't remember exactly when now, but I think it was early in the week, and I spoke about when you can see things like this, because you can clearly see price is breaking lows, but are we closing low? So
Yeah.
it's that patience. And I mean, this took a while yesterday. Yeah, you'd expect that to
Yeah.
sort of kind of knife pull back again. Long, 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 long. And I mean, what fucking time is this? It's at 1 o'clock, so she particularly had to now sit through that for the whole morning into the afternoon to get to where she wanted to be. And those types of things is, that's unnecessary. So I like a sell at YouTube. I just want quick enough. The buys made sense as well. It's not the most favoritable when you have your clear structure and volume pushing to the downside. And again, you can see how long we took to go up and how quickly we broke down once we hit that resistance and key level 186 area. So now we've pushed down and now creating a structure to the upside back above. So let's see. It's the same area we rejected from yesterday. We're trading above it now. Will we reject it again? Let's see. You have your structure to the upside. You have these massive moves to the downside. Tough one.
Yeah, I think it could go either way.
You could play either way.
But
either, yes.
Yeah. Just because it's also at that 4 hour, yeah. If you look to the left, I mean, it has rejected there before. So we don't know if it's ready to fill that range to the left, or are we just going to come down again.
And if you look at it, right, so yeah, you can see this was the resistance that you made, right? And then if I mark out this one as well, right? So you can clearly see here that price closed above, immediately rejected. This one, same thing, closed above, but it's fresh into the 4 hour, like an hour and a half in almost. So
yeah,
lost to see still. But I'm gonna just play what I see. Currently what I see is bullish structure.
Wait a minute.
You said 4 hour resistance invalid. Can you explain more, sir? Did I say? Firstly, Ozzy, stop calling me sir.
A damn fine cup of coffee.
Okay. I literally said the same in the week, bro. Ozzy, we damn near the same age, bro. How old are you, Ozzy? I think maybe I'm a bit older, but I'm not that old, bro. 28. Bro, I'm 32. I mean, don't call me sir, dude. Call me bro, buddy, sexy, handsome. Take your pick. Just not sir. Anyway, no, I'm not. I didn't say the 4 hours invalid.
Every day, once a day.
It's good in 4 hours. Did I say that? I'm pretty sure I didn't.
Don't plan it.
Can't think of any reason why I would say that.
Let it happen. Could be a new shirt at the men's store, a catnap in your office chair.
What I'm saying is, Ozzy, if you look back, right, this 4 hour year, closing above and then straight back down, right? So you know the play. I'm saying that we've seen that there. Will that do this year? Right? or will we respect the lower time frame structure and continue that? Ooh, this is also a jam.
This one the first one puts you on a high, this one calm you down, and then the next one puts you on a high again.
This app is wild, my bro. I'm on Reddit. So I'm looking like if I could share like the YouTube in there that is a South African Forex thing. Meanwhile, South African MOF pulls up. Why is this apps like this? Selling booty everywhere. Ain't nobody trying to see that. Well, Mama, I just want to send a message quickly. Okay. Geeks, is the what you call the volume on YouTube fine? Like when you joined there yesterday.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll go check again now.
Damn.
Yeah, the volume's good.
Testing. He's cold. Golden, doing everything and nothing at the same time. Mm. 8:30. See the thing with all of this now. You look back at like these prices last night. Start to push up, great support, great amount of support, and you push up. Now you pull back down into, like as I like to say, the support that you created on your way up. So your first floor, which is sort of kind of your foundation, which you lay down, and you push up, pull back into the foundation, still holding. Now when do you play it? Just talking about when price forms like this. So now you have resistance, boom, then you get that. So these types of plays always riskier because now you know if you're entering there, target here, your stop has to be or breaking that low. As you can see now, you're not breaking previous lows, so it shouldn't do that. But then you get days like yesterday morning where you can see that you are breaking lows, but you're not closing below. Always important to read the information because it's all you have, indicators and tools or whatever, but price is most important. Once you are able to read price, it's good. It's one of the best things you can do. You can see here, push down, go here, boom, engulf, close below, there. Now you can see here, price push back into these areas and rejected, close below. Okay, play that bad boy. Play that funky music. It's about reading those things. Is my... Oh, you can't see my drawings on YouTube. Well, let's fix that then. Da, da, da. Did you just send a message now?
You're talking to me.
Yeah.
Just commented on the YouTube. Yeah, you can't see your drawings.
Screen. There we go.
Yeah, you can see it now.
There we go. Much better. So.
Good morning, guys.
Oh, good morning,
Hope you
Sunbonman.
well.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good, all good.
What did I miss?
Nothing. Nothing so far. I was looking back at your trade of yesterday, and like I said, like makes sense. It's just you had to sit through the whole morning.
Yeah, I think if I had to leave my stop where it was initially, then um it would have been fine. But that was like a 30-40 pip stop. And I kept moving it up, and yeah, eventually I stopped. But here's what it is.
Yeah, that was the only thing with yesterday. It's similar to
How's about that drop though, man?
yeah, straight into
From that exact level that you said you were waiting for. Crazy.
yeah. That was my second one. My first level was gonna
Yeah,
be
the
from
first one was the lower one.
yeah,
Mm.
straight.
Oh, yeah.
I was looking back at how I could have played that. Um, can't say for sure in the moment if I was like active. I think this year rejecting this candle has done a close below, so this candle might have been my play, or possibly this one.
Yeah.
I can't say for sure I'd have had to be near in the moment because I don't know if I'd have clicked the
Mm.
button here, like if that is enough. I think I would have. Yeah, woulda, coulda, shoulda. I didn't, and then what's worse is you think about yesterday, right? Yesterday I didn't catch anything. What's worse for me is not yesterday's one, but Tuesday, because you remember I said I'd play this higher time frame wise. That ran a
Because
solid,
we were literally in that trade.
yeah, that ran a solid 400
Yeah.
pips.
Oh, yeah.
And I can tell you now, I've never caught a
Very
solid
nice.
400 pips. I don't think I
Yeah, that
called
would
for
be
400.
amazing. Imagine catching like a drop like that and like a decent lot size. Amazing.
You still get to like, oh, sorry, if you don't need to hold full for a decent. If you have a decent enough lot size, like say, now you play it like that, you have a decent enough lot size, and you take your profit, right? Now you get to these areas, you can secure quite a bit, and then just let your runner run
Yeah,
a few
just
extra.
leave it runner.
And those are the
Mm.
times now when those runners go. Now it's very seldom, very seldom, but those runners then sometimes will make you quite a bit of extra bank, you know.
Yeah.
And that's why I try and always leave a runner. But I need to manage my runners a bit better. So let's see what we get this morning. Ooh. Oh yeah, I told you guys that I got a message from somebody, on this was last week.
Yeah, you did on TikTok or something.
Yeah, this bruh. I know his face, and so oh yeah, so check this though. This man messaged me. He sent me a message and he says I must message him, well, on WhatsApp and stuff. So I'm like, alright. So I messaged him and he says, who's he speaking to? So I'm like, yes, so okay. So you're messaging a lot of people firstly, right? And he says he's been following my trading and my trading journey or whatever. Anyway, he just asked me, have you thought of becoming an IB? So I'm like, yeah, sort of, but to depend. Like,
What is an IB?
an IB is like basically an influencer for the broker, you know.
Oh,
So I try to get people to sign up, and then he's like, it's with vault markets and stuff. So I'm like, nah, I already have a broker that I use. I'm gonna go. What must I now do? I'm not that bored, you know. I'm gonna go sign up with a new broker now for whatever reason. So it just says like, I must give it a think, and then you'll have clients sign up with my link, and then I'll receive like rebates off their deposits and trades. And I was like, off their deposits? That's next level. I thought it was only like off of your trades and stuff, you know,
yeah.
which doesn't really affect anyone. Like I have a what do you call a link to my broker, like an affiliate link, but I'll get like a rebate, but that don't come with your account or whatever, you know, as far as I know. But you don't, if you sign up, you take a win, don't affect my account. You take a loss, don't affect my account. But now that was like off the deposits. I was like, yo, that's hectic. But that's essentially like how people are just depositing all the time. It's just like, nah, it don't seem like a liquor offer or anything. Like, tell me, I could speak at the seminars or something. Give me something good, my bro. And just, I'll get kickbacks, make people sign up. Fuck that.
And who is this for vault, you say?
For vault markets.
Aren't they like super dodge or something?
Yes, that's
I
the other
remember
thing.
hearing some dodgy stories about them like 2-3 years ago.
Yeah. Definitely not doing that. But now I wonder. I'm wondering now, do my rebates come off of someone catching on cut? Someone winning? Because I have like one person signed up.
I don't know, you must find out there from your broker. What's the vibes?
Because I'd like to
KD,
imagine.
No, carry on.
No, I was just saying I'd like to imagine that whoever that person is winning and not losing.
So you don't know what it is.
No, I don't know who it is. Can't see the name or whatever. Okay, alright. Audio. Now we got this. Boom, closing below. Rejection straight from that 4 hour structure sort of changing now. So let's see. Next up, next up. Launch.
KD, did you get the bars yesterday?
I did have a buy yesterday. But I was stopped out after moving my stop loss like a bit higher after we pushed up a bit.
Mm.
So yeah, I missed that initial swing just before CPI.
It's long also. It's quite interesting now. This here, rejecting that 4 hour. Guys like my new tool, the vanishing pen. So I want to see if we can point here, and then if we can get some pullbacks, I'll play that, and then if it does change structure, then afterwards it'll be peak. There's some news coming out now, so at 9.
No man, no news.
What's the euro?
Oh.
5 minutes left. It's interesting also about this candle. There's no wick. This candle didn't really close below here. So can this flip? Is the question. Because this is also very interesting to me. See here how we don't win. Close below the didn't close below there. Pushed below it twice. Now this candle did. It's rejecting there. Rejecting there. But now you're getting this rejecting as well. So a very good possibility for this to then do that. I'm just trying to picture it ahead with if this candle does close above, could the next one then push back? What would that range be like? From here to that 4 hour. What do you guys think? Closing above? Closing below? Just place it on.
Closing above.
Below.
Below. Fuck man, I keep doing the same fucking line. Fuck it. Here we go, so it's gonna be perfect. There we go. Fucking perfect. Brady says below, Keegan says above. Find out in 3 minutes. Why do you say above, Geeks?
I just took a guess.
Same. I guess I'm expecting a bit of a move down into this.
I'm glad you didn't say fair value gap.
What
Even-
the hell? Since when?
But you do use the concepts though, right?
Not on GJ. And also, it wasn't working for me on NAS, so that's why I was like, fuck NAS and fuck fair value gaps and fuck all this bullshit.
But then
I was actually been, the past 2 days, I've been backtesting a bit on NAS with your strategy, and it works. You just need, like, a decent account because the pip sizes of the trades are, like, huge.
But then, if you don't really use those concepts, what?
I haven't been trading NAS for, like,
No, not
fuck, I don't know
not
for how
NASDAQ.
long.
The like because you had this buys here yesterday, and then the other day also you called buys somewhere. Like from a low point or so. How are you then? How are you?
Like, that wasn't SMC. That was just like because I saw it as a change of structure because we broke above like resistance or yeah.
Okay. But then what do you do then
So
about the
even
next resistance?
like open your where price is now. Yeah, just open it a bit. So let me get my thing clear. So like here, if I look at what we did now this morning before I came online, here you have your 4 hour marked out, right?
Yeah.
So we broke above it, but then we broke back below it with this beautiful bearish engulfing over here. This I would look at as my nearest support. So obviously breaking below that support, for me, that is a change of structure, and we're rejecting from a higher time frame resistance area. So that is a good thing, a good place for me to sell. You know what I mean?
But
So
wait.
sell from here, targeting this as like a first TP, and then this as a second TP. So not based on SMC, just like looking at it from a higher time frame, support resistance areas, tapping those zones and getting like a strong rejection like this for a potential sell.
Okay. But then when was that? When was that buy you took? What day was that?
Let me see it. Okay.
Because I'd love to know then how you got that one.
The one that I sent you.
Yeah. When was that?
I'm just trying to find it. Do you remember what day it was?
No. Let me check.
Oh, I think I found it. That was on Friday, the 6th of September.
Friday. 6 September.
And that was just before
Yeah.
NFP, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Friday. Yeah, it was, yeah. Same thing. Can you go to that date there?
Yeah, yes, 6 September. Yes,
Oh,
yes,
there you
yes,
are.
yeah. It was, yeah.
Let me just do this pencil thing. Yeah, so same thing as the other trade. Can you open it up a bit so it's not so tight? Yeah.
Are you on your phone or on
So
your laptop?
I'm on my phone. I can't zoom on my phone because then my it hacks, man, on my laptop if I'm busy on the chart. So I just zoom on my phone. Um, so here we have support, equal support over here. We broke below it, forming this lower support here, right? And then we broke above the support over here with this candle.
That resistance.
I mean, this resistance over here with this bullish candle. And that for me, like I said earlier, change of structure. Then the next candle went and break above this resistance over here with this bullish candle, change of structure. And then that was enough confirmation for me. I got in on this pullback here because I missed the entry here of this for that. And then I waited for a lower wick, if you will. So I entered my buy here. Yeah.
Well, that
And
candle
that
was
was the
still
reason
red.
because we also rejected, or this, what was this area that you have drawn out here? This line,
It's the 187.500 key level.
187. So if you think about it, that's also like kind of a fake out from that area, drop in, breaking above, going back to retest, and then you got that shift over there. Pulled back, bought, yeah. And I closed before NFB.
So you entered on this candle while it was still red.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
I did.
confidence is
Yeah,
boosting.
sometimes it's like a bit of a risk, but basically just trusting my gut and trusting what I'm seeing. Also, knowing that we're bouncing off higher time frame areas gives me, I guess, more confidence in actually just executing the trade.
And your stop was what, like below, yeah.
A stop was below the wick of here, and then I moved it up. Yeah.
Because when I like play these types of things, like I know I entered here, and then yeah, I usually like also like do that and then create the support, but then I'm just looking back at how I could have played this better, and I'm thinking probably
Mm.
yeah would have been the safest bet for me into yeah. But sometimes you gotta go. You just gotta fucking push the button sometimes.
Oh, wait.
Here we go. Nice. So now I am liking this. Just click on the hourly. Okay, and this next hourly then now this next hourly can sort of kind of hold this and then push close above here. I would definitely look to play that. See how we act around here and if we can get further. Perfect. The lower time frame, what I'd like to see some Puma. Got book business, you get twisted. Okay. 6 minutes left. I'm trying to find good reason for this buying off. Only thing that I can go with is that 1 hour. But also now this 15. If this 15 fucking closes excellent, like that's it for me, that would be good enough. I usually like seeing something like as like a support and a support holding, you know, or a retest of a support to not get like caught up. But this is starting to look good for me, just the volume kicking in. I am in a buying bias. So this 15 even closes above here, it's even better. The only fucking thing that I'd really like today is a wick. Just give me a wick, brother. Pretty please, give me a... This candle needs to leave a bit of a wick for me. Wherever it does go to, there's still 5 minutes left. And then from there, I'd like to see a lower wick. Yo, fuck's sakes, I can't. Don't do me dirty like fuck, bro. If that
Yesterday.
happens, it's not even just yesterday, it was the other day as well. Like twice
Oh,
this week.
really?
Yeah.
Yesterday didn't even give any chance.
Yeah, I had no chance yesterday. It was either...
No.
You see, the thing is also like, I'm not like it hasn't been like an amazing week or whatever, you know, for me to just be like, I'll just take it off the bat.
Yeah.
Like usually, like if a Monday kicks in and it's really nice and it plays out great, and a Tuesday and so then like Wednesday, Thursday, I can just be like, sure, I am covered, you know. But now, say this candle now doesn't close with no top wick and stuff, and it like just goes, or I have to just enter off of there. The thing is, my stop needs to be here. I don't smack that, honestly. That's not something I would enjoy. But if I could get a wick and then a push, then at least I can place my stop there, you know. Nothing was said or anything, man. It's the news. Spanish. Bank of Japan this morning. It's impossible to predict the timing of rate hikes. Okay. They should be done now. I should go sleep now. Compared to when dollar yen was at 160, the upward risk of inflation has subsided somewhat. Okay, good. Why did I not check that this morning? The jam. This is my jam, geeks. This one here, that's my banger. That's my one that gets me up. Just when that whistle thing. There we go. The flute. There's a triffer, bro. They have to play this in the club. Yeah. These songs are gonna get stuck in your guys' head one day, I swear, I promise you. One day you're gonna be in the kitchen and you just there's a song that used to be on Raja's stream, bro. And there was a day it was drugging in my head. And I didn't know the name of the song because this was royalty free music. Oh my word, bro. I went through so many playlists and I was just like, fuck this.
I know, what's his name used to play? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, so every Friday.
Yeah.
That used to be my jam.
You must see how the boss looks now, dude. He looks hella good.
Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
Lost a bunch of weight and stopped
yeah.
smoking and all this stuff. He looks really good.
Mm.
Because you could only see him on like the small cam, you know. So
Yeah.
when we opt on Zoom now, his chart's not open. It's just on Zoom, just your face, me and you.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, bruh, so the first time I was like, so this is how you actually look. It's like, yo, dude, you don't look so old. Like on stream, he looks old. I don't know why, but like you don't really look that old.
Weird.
Fuck, look how time flies.
Lekker wick, nah.
Can you do it for Papa? 14, but I'd like to see. If I can get my push at least, yeah. I need to hear that song again because this one's boring. Let's see if this song indicates GJ to go up as well. GJ likes this. Because I can't play the other one because YouTube will. I already got banned off TikTok yesterday. Actually didn't go banned, I just got a live restriction until the 14th. Nice push, drag on that high. You can do it, put your back into it. This next 15 should push it above, close above, and then further pushes. I genuinely would like doing total CS push up to here. To be my plans, but these would have to be obviously where I do some business. Would have to wait through that. I don't really want to see it just taking like too long. I'd like to see the move happen now and not a struggle, and then
Yeah.
do support above here to then go, because essentially this is what I want to clear, and I want to sort of kind of clear it now. I don't want to push it. I just want to shoot, close above, and then further pushes to play the screen range further. buddy. To go the other way. Playing no games this morning, TJ. Nobody's in the mood for that.
Usually on the 1 hour time frame we have fake out happening.
Alright, the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'd look for. See, I know you're looking at this like boom, boom. There's no wick here, right? And then where you've pulled back into, breaking this low, and then that there you've pulled into there. So I'm actually looking for, like you saying, the fake out. Sort of kind of look at the same thing here. That's what I want to see, is breaking this wick, closing above here to continue, because I don't think we have reason to fake out, and fundamentally I don't see any reason currently this morning for us to push down, but I do see reason for us to push up.
Okay.
Technically and fundamentally, like you said, with where you've pulled down into key level once again. Here you can see it's low open into, and the structure is all facing to the upside. But if you were here early enough and on time, then you'd have heard all of that. But now,
Yeah, it would be nice if a person got notifications when lives were sent out, but you know, that's just like,
but you already know. I'll say it's usually between
yeah,
7:30 and 8.
I know.
Okay.
Dude, where did you buy that phone holder of yours? That frog looking like MLB thing.
Oh, China more. But it's
I'm going to get one of those.
a little bit more. Buddy, pretty please. Damn, Chicho, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Yeah, cracking. Push up like it's hot. Well, go. I've secured some, and now I'm gonna move my. Cool. I just need to chillax. I'm not gonna go break even yet. I'm gonna leave my stop as is, because I want to manage my trades a bit better. I'm gonna close another half over here, and then I'll go break even. Cool, close another half and
Liquor.
break even. Cool, and now I can go with the ladies and gentlemen, we are cruising at altitude.
Bruh, you can't do that with a straight face.
15,000 pips has been reached. No, just joking, it's 15 pips, but 15,000 cruising altitude. Your seatbelt sign is now off. Cool. Alright. 20. Yeah, I'll just give another half for that and then leave the rest. Cool. I'm Gucci now. There should be clear skies. Yeah. Nothing more to say. I think we've been live for just over an hour. YouTube an hour 14. Cool. So I'm gonna end the YouTube stream. It was a good trade on that.